Hi guys, I have a Braava M6 that showed me the error.
Fill the tank, then press clean.
And this is the easy way to fix that. What you need to do, even if your tank is filled, you take the tank off, make sure the indicator of the level of the water all the way to the top, and when you put it back, sometimes you need to shake it in order to indicate it go up. Then when you put it back, do a little bit of the twist so it's gonna go all the way down. Close the lid and press the clean button. And now it's working. Sometimes it might not help, so in that case what you do, you need for sure take off the robot off the base, because in that case this feature will not work. Then you press clean button and hold it 20 seconds. This was the sound that Roomba resetting itself. Wait for it, and then your robot should be working. Let's wait for it and check if it's working now. Alright, ready to go.
Fill the tank, then press clean.
So as you can see, sometimes it's just a problem with the tank that it becomes loose. You need just to shake it, close it, and make it work. Hopefully this video helped you. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.